Hello everyone, I am Dr. Ravneet Kaur, Assistant Professor, Department of Electronics, Acharya Narendra Dev College, University of Delhi. In this video, I am going to explain how you can create and run C program using CodeBlock. CodeBlock is a free, open source, cross-platform C, C++ and Fortran integrated development environment built to meet the most demanding needs of its user. It is designed to be very extensible and fully configurable. Please follow the link given on the screen and download the CodeBlock from codeblock.org. Now we will see how to create, compile and run a C program in CodeBlocks. The first step is to open the CodeBlock IDE, which is as shown on the screen. Now once you have opened the IDE, then the very first step is to create a file. For creating a file, click on the File tab on the ribbon and then select New option. Upon selecting New, another selection menu will pop up from which you have to select File. After that, again go to the File tab on ribbon and now select From Template option. Upon selecting that, a screen will pop up as shown here. From the New Template window, select Files from the wizard types on the left hand and then select C, C++ source wizard from the main window as shown here and then press Go button. A welcome message will be seen after pressing the Go button. Press Next and make sure if you do not want to see this welcome message again, select the Skip this page checkbox before pressing Next. Then a C, C++ file window will pop up and from that window select C as the language for files and then press the Next button. Before going further, create a new workspace folder with the name of your choice, like I have selected here C programming, anywhere in your computer, and then click the ellipsis button under the file name with full path and browse to your C workspace folder and then mention your file name and press Finish. Again, C, C++ source window will pop up and then just press Finish button. Now you are ready to write your C program. So write your C program code here or copy paste it from your notepad or WordPad. Once you created your first C program, it's time to compile and run the program. Now go to the Build command tab and select it. Upon selecting Build tab, a menu will pop up from which select Build option. Again go to the Build command tab and select it. And again a menu will pop up from which now select Build and Run option. After selecting Build and Run option, your program is executed. In case your program contain any error, those error messages will be shown in the Build message tab below the code editor. So in this video we have seen how we can use CodeBlock to create and run our C program. Thank you for your patient listening.